Yun guys, since walang golf today, yan, magpapalit tayo ng steering wheel na matagal ko nang gustong ilagay, ngayon lang may time. Meron akong video nun, yung in-unbox ko ata. Alright, let's do this. Yan. Dalawang screws lang dito, saka sa kabilang side. Yan, sinusunod ko lang yung YouTube videos na nakita ko. Alright, tanggalin natin yung airbag. Okay, so far we remove all of this, and now I need to remove this and reuse this part. And alright, this one we need to use that back too. But here the wheels and the harness, we're just gonna keep it and hide it just in case we need it. Alright, this is the reason why we need to keep the controllers and not use the stock. There you go, that's the stock. The steering wheel came with this one, like a carbon fiber look. Alright, so we just need to remove that, put it here. Yawn! Ayos! I guess I didn't see this in the YouTube video that I watched to open it. Okay, if you're gonna remove this, you need to unscrew this 1, 2, 3. Okay? Because based on this one, there's 3 mounting spots there. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, I guess I'm wrong. You need to remove one of these. Okay, so 4 screws. I don't know how we're gonna mount it here, but 4 screws to remove it. Alright, I guess you need to remove one small piece. Okay, it's gonna look like that. There's an open spot there, so that's the reason why there's one more screw in the middle. You need to remove this small piece to cover that up, like so. All right, there, that's how it looks like one side. Now we're gonna do the other one. All right, there. Okay, to the next one. This steering wheel came with a harness. Okay, that harness is for the paddle shifter. There you go. So I didn't use the stock harness. All right, and then I just follow the wiring directions. Okay, this steering wheel got heated steering wheel, so we have wires down here. All right, yan, finally did it. Ayos. It's just take your time. Sabi nga nung nasa YouTube, take your time. But look at it's a tight fit. Ganda. Tight fit. Ganda ng pagkagawa. Kala ko kanina maluwag eh. I thought it's just loose. But if you like take your time, it's a tight fit. It's really tight. And then don't tighten all the screws because the buttons are not gonna work. Okay? Alright, we'll install natin pabalik. Alright? Okay, I've installed it and now I'm just trying to reboot it. I have the Taser Mini. Okay, now I need to program the paddle shifters. Alright. There you have it, installed. It's working. All the buttons are working. Okay, yeah, looks good. See, it's the finish. Okay, make sure you tighten the big spindle inside, because I don't want to cross thread it, so I didn't tighten it up, but you need to a little bit. Make sure It's not sloppy like that, okay? Right now it's firm. It's good. No wiggle room. All right. Hope you guys like it. All right, this is how it looks like now when you ride it. Nice. It's so funny. I got one red steering wheel when I had my dad's 1978 Mitsubishi Galant. Now I have a red steering wheel again. But back then it was like just the wrapping and all, old school style. All right. Now, looks good.